Hiccups are sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. Here's what happens when you eat too quickly, drink carbonated beverages, or experience sudden changes in temperature. It can irritate the diaphragm. This irritation sends a signal to your brain, causing it to spasm. Each spasm is followed by a quick closure of the vocal cords, creating the hic sound. Hiccups can also occur due to stress, excitement, or even spicy foods. Most hiccups go away on their own within a few minutes, but if they last longer, it's best to consult a doctor. That's why we get hiccups. Your support means a lot. So, hit that like button, comment your feedback, and subscribe.